I don't think you're ready for this argument. Do you think physics are necessary skill for a programmer? No, but I'm going to tell you why I think it's great to do. Okay, it's the same reason why I think doing diffie-q is great for programmers, is that when it comes down to physics, it's really just like a bit of memorization. Yeah, that's not really a useful skill for anybody, but it's problem solving, being able to look at a problem, knowing fundamental pieces, and be able to take those fundamental pieces to construct a solution on something you've never seen before. I think that is an extremely important skill. And yes, you can do it in programming. That's literally programming. But to be able to do that at a high rate and doing it over and over and over again, I think is really, really difficult to do as a programmer. Right? I just don't think you have a lot of opportunity to do it at that rate. And so that's why I really do think taking calculus, going through those things, going through college, and even taking some of these courses that are just like, I agree, a lot of them are stupid. You just don't need integral knowledge of integrals to be good at programming. But just going through that practice of seeing something you've never done before and being able to solve it based on fundamental pieces, it's just such an important skill. It is such an important skill, honestly. Physics isn't necessary. Clearly, you're not a game developer. Most game developers don't need to know a lot about physics. Just going to be real with you, okay? You think every last person in programming games has a strong understanding of physics or just uses a library, right? Linear algebra is probably really the only super useful skill to have as a programmer. Yeah, if you forget Ohm's law, ain't nobody going to be upset. But learning how to solve circuits and using Kirchhoff's zero voltage stuff to be able to do stuff, you're gonna do. It's going to be very useful, right? In the sense that you can solve abstract problems. Yes, you are, Bisco. You're trust me, Bisco. This ain't the reason that you're stupid. You're stupid, but that ain't it. Anyways, these are my thoughts. My thoughts, which is. Why linear algebra? Because it's useful in like a whole bunch of stuff. If you want to do stuff with ML, if you want to do stuff with just data science, if you want to do stuff with game programming, if you want to do it just has such a huge intersection compared to all other maths. You know what I mean? Like it's probably the most intersected with real world than anything else. Right? Yeah, linear algebra is matrix math. Yeah, exactly. It's like the most useful of all possible math. It doesn't mean it's fun or it's great or you're going to use it. You may never use it again. But I'm just saying that I've ran into quite a few situations where a little bit of vector understanding is good. Damn, I have never been roasted that bad by ThePrimeagen before. Is the student become dude? Bisco, you always are roasting me. And so it's just like, it's time. It's time for me to lean in. Bisco, did you know that my 6-year stream anniversary is coming up here shortly? It is time for me to lean in and to roast. The name is, I'm coming for that ass, Bisco. Jen. What?